Hello guys, welcome back again on my new video. I am Barista Ali and you're watching Ali Vlogs and Cafe. Today I will show you how to make honey latte. So let's start this video. So guys, first I will put honey 30 ml. So guys, 30 ml honey, espresso, double shot, this is double shot. Then mix. That's it. Take the milk as your cup size. Look guys, this crema milk frothing latte, like a cream. Okay, you can't make it art good because of honey, but I try. This is my art for honey latte. I know that's not good, but because of honey. Then honey garnish at the top, honey latte. Honey little hard because of cold. That's it only. Mashallah, so good taste, delicious. So hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, so please this is my request, please like, and if you have any question, so please comment and share, and if you're new here, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Assalam.